Imagine this. You're checking your bank account. You expect to see your hard-earned money. Instead, it's gone. Wiped clean by a silent thief. This isn't a nightmare. This is the reality for victims of ToxicPanda, a new Android banking Trojan. ToxicPanda is stealthy and dangerous. It's designed to steal your banking information and drain your accounts. This isn't just about losing money, it's about losing your financial security. This malware is spreading quickly disguised as harmless apps. It could be lurking in app stores waiting for its next victim. We need to act now and spread the word about this digital threat. ToxicPanda can infiltrate your device without you even knowing. It hides in plain sight, masquerading as legitimate software. Once installed, it silently collects your sensitive information. By the time you realize something is wrong, it might be too late. Protect yourself by staying informed and using reliable security measures. Share this information with others to help prevent more victims. Together we can fight back against this silent thief and protect our digital lives. ToxicPanda is a master of disguise. This cyber threat is not just any ordinary malware. It's a sophisticated piece of software designed to blend in seamlessly with your everyday apps. It hides in plain sight, masquerading as legitimate apps. These apps can look so convincing that even the most cautious users might be fooled. Think games, utility tools, even productivity software. ToxicPanda can disguise itself as anything you might find useful or entertaining. You download what you think is a harmless app. The installation process seems normal, and the app functions as expected. But hidden inside is malicious code ready to strike. This code can steal your personal information, track your activities, and even take control of your device. These malicious apps often look and function like the real deal. They are designed to be indistinguishable from legitimate apps, making detection extremely difficult. They might even have positive reviews to trick you. These reviews are often fake, created to build a false sense of security and trust. But once installed, ToxicPanda goes to work, infiltrating your device and compromising your data. It can access your contacts, messages, and even financial information. Don't be fooled by appearances. Always scrutinize the apps you download no matter how legitimate they seem. Download apps only from official sources like Google Play Store and Apple App Store. These platforms have security measures in place to help protect you. And always be wary of apps from unknown developers. If something seems off, trust your instincts and avoid downloading it. ToxicPanda uses a clever trick to gain control of your device accessibility services. These services are meant to help users with disabilities, but ToxicPanda exploits them for malicious purposes. Once it has access, ToxicPanda can read your screen, record your keystrokes, and even interact with other apps on your behalf. It's like giving the keys to your kingdom to a thief. Be cautious about granting accessibility permissions to any app. Pay close attention to the permissions and app requests during installation. If something seems off, don't install the app at all. Section 4. A puppet master's strings. With access to your device, the attackers behind ToxicPanda become puppet masters. They can control your device remotely, using it to carry out their malicious deeds. They can intercept your text messages, stealing verification codes sent by your bank. They can even record your screen as you enter your banking credentials. Your personal information, your money, all become vulnerable to their attacks. Section 5. Fight back. Protect yourself from ToxicPanda. The threat of ToxicPanda is real. This malicious software can infiltrate your devices, steal your personal information, and cause significant harm. But don't worry, there are effective measures you can take to safeguard yourself, but there are steps you can take to protect yourself. By being vigilant and proactive, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to this dangerous malware. First, only download apps from official app stores. These platforms have security measures in place to screen for malicious software, making it safer for you to download and use apps. Avoid downloading apps from third-party websites or links sent through email or social media. These sources are often unregulated and can be breeding grounds for malware. Second, keep your device's operating system and apps updated. Regular updates not only bring new features but also fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malware. Updates often include security patches that can protect you from malware. Ignoring these updates can leave your device exposed to threats. Third, be wary of apps requesting excessive permissions. Always review the permissions an app is asking for before you install it, especially access to accessibility services. These permissions can give apps control over your device, which can be dangerous if the app is malicious. If an app asks for more than it needs to function, it's a red flag. Be cautious and consider whether the app truly needs those permissions to operate. Finally, spread the word. Share this information with your friends, family, and colleagues. The more people know about these threats, the better we can collectively protect ourselves. By raising awareness, we can help protect others from becoming victims of Toxic Panda. Knowledge is power, and sharing it can make a big difference. The fight against mobile malware is a team effort. We all have a role to play in keeping our digital spaces safe and secure. Let's work together to stay safe in the digital world. By following these steps and staying informed, we can protect ourselves and our communities from the threat of Toxic Panda. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Your support helps us create more content to keep you safe online. Thank you for watching.